Hi everybody! Welcome to the first video in a series called Sweet Skills, brought to you by the Student Experience Team at St. Thomas More College. We're here for you to help you build the skills to be successful in your university journey. My name is Linda, and I'm an academic advisor at the college, and today I have the privilege of kicking off this series with an extra sweet episode. Mini donuts!
Wow, those look so good. Mine will not turn out that well.
Okay, so you might be wondering what mini donuts have to do with university. Let me tell you. I used to be a USask and STM student, and I absolutely love Welcome Week. I love the buzz of campus, the excitement of new classes, meeting up with or making new friends. Obviously, this year is going to look drastically different, but the one thing I was determined I wasn't going to miss out on is mini donuts. Each year, SaskTel sets up a booth where they hand out free mini donuts all day, and I go every year. There's lots of great treats during Welcome Week, but the mini donuts definitely top my list. So today, I'm going to attempt making mini donuts for the very first time. Step 1. Cream together the sugar and the butter. Step 2. Add in your dry ingredients. Step 3. Once your batter is mixed, add it to a Ziploc bag. Cut the end off so that you can pipe it into the tray. For the next part, we're going to take our donut batter and we're going to put it into a Ziploc bag so that we can pipe it into our pan. Now, I purchased a donut pan just a few days ago specifically to make this video, but if you don't have your own donut pan at home, that's absolutely fine. You can use a mini muffin tin or even a regular muffin tin, so basically anything that you have on hand. That's what I call adaptability, a skill that will serve you well in university. See, you thought this was just about donuts. Tricked you.
Step 4. Bake. Step 5. Let the donuts cool, then dip them in melted butter and then into the cinnamon sugar mixture.
Nailed it! Oops.